Connecting your domain name to your hosting is the magic that makes your website visible to the world. And today, we'll break down exactly how to do it for your WordPress site. First, and most importantly, you'll need your domain name purchased from a registrar, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, and your web hosting service acquired from a provider, such as Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator. The key to linking them lies in updating your domain's nameservers. Think of nameservers as the GPS coordinates that tell the internet where to find your website's files. Your hosting provider will give you these specific nameserver addresses. Log into your domain registrar's account. Navigate to the domain management section for the specific domain you want to connect. Look for an option to manage or change your nameservers. This is where you'll input the information provided by your hosting company. Carefully copy and paste each nameserver address from your hosting provider into the corresponding fields in your domain registrar's settings. Double-check for any typos, as even a single mistake can prevent your site from appearing. Once you've saved these changes at your domain registrar, it's time for propagation. This is the process where the internet updates its records with your new nameserver information. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, though usually it's much faster. During this time, your website might not be accessible. You can periodically check your domain in a web browser. When the propagation is complete, your domain will point to your hosting server. And if you've already installed WordPress, your site will be live. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your hosting and domain for your WordPress website. Now you're one step closer to a thriving online presence.